What happened?
Just
You
crying.
skipped over a story? Is that you don't want to do that one?
Oh, no, let's do this one.
Beyond Meat boss arrested after allegedly biting man's nose in parking garage. So you like this one because he's got the Beyond Meat, but then he's chomping on human flesh. Yeah, I saw this story going around. A police officer arrived at the scene. He found the two men with bloody faces. Why you got to go for the biting of the nose?
And he tore off flesh.
I know, that's got to be... I don't know.
Rude.
Was he being held down? The chief operating officer of popular vegan food company Beyond Meat was arrested on Saturday in Fayetteville, Arkansas, after an incident in a parking garage following a university football game. Ugh, people get too fired up over this stuff.
Bit rowdy.
Doug Ramsey, who has worked for the company since December 2021, it says on its website, is now facing charges of a terroristic threatening and third-degree battery, according to news outlet KNWA. Do you want to keep scrolling? Or there you go. So this is him. Beyond Meat COO arrested. Wow, he looks angry. He looks like he's going to bite my nose off. Mm-hmm. He is not happy about what has transpired in the mugshot. Although they have a nice gradient in the mugshot, though. It's a nice background gradient. I thought it was just going to be like a white wall or something, but no. Yeah. We have some substance there. Ramsey was driving out of Razorback Stadium near Gate 15. A Subaru inched his way in front and made contact with Ramsey's vehicle. Ramsey allegedly got out of the vehicle and punched through the back windshield of the Subaru. Jeez. The man got out of the Subaru and he told police that Ramsey then started punching him. The report also states Ramsey bit the owner's nose, ripping the flesh on the tip of the nose. Goodness gracious, this escalated. Police officer arrived. He found two men with bloody faces. Ramsey was arrested just before 10:30 p.m., taken to Washington County Jail. Well, people love this story because of the Beyond Meat aspect, obviously. Like, there's all kinds of memes here. Like, he wanted meat so bad, he ate a human nose, or
he was holding it.
Or he was so aggravated because he hasn't had a real burger. And so, like, there's so many memes in here.
His face. It's just so mugshot.
But what are you gonna do in a mugshot, Will? It's like at this point it's midnight because he got arrested at 10:30 p.m. Mm-hmm. It's at least midnight.
Yeah, tired.
And he's
disappointed.
Wait a second though, he doesn't look bloody at all. So
probably wiped himself up, you know?
There's no evidence of him getting hit. Like, I don't know. Okay.
Maybe a couple stains here.
I don't know why I would notice that. Has he been arrested before? Is this mugshot? Is that his corporate shot for COO?
Oh, can you imagine?
I was wondering about the gradient, but there's no way because he's so angry. But police said they both have bloody faces, and this is. I guess the other guy was probably producing more of the blood. Maybe he had the other guy's blood on his face, especially if he bit his nose.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're getting there. Anyway, yeah, rough story.
Tough spot.